Welcome crafters, Michelle here. I have a fun and festive fall DIY for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how to pull together a few materials from Dollar Tree and turn it into an adorable wall decor for fall. Stay tuned and I'll show you how to make it. To get started on today's craft, you're going to need a base. I'm going to be using this square wood hanger. Dollar Tree also carries a circular one, so whichever one you can find in your store will work. And then for our icons, I'm going to be using this sheet of window clings. I was really excited when I saw it. It has all the perfect elements to pull together an adorable hanging decor. But before we get these on, I want to get a nice coat of paint on my base here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove my hanger. I can put it back on once I've gotten it painted. I have all my paints laid out. I have Nutmeg Brown by Apple Barrel, Linen by Folk Art, Jack-o'-lantern by Apple Barrel, Daffodil, Pale Daffodil by Apple Barrel, Admiral Blue by Apple Barrel, and Pool Blue by Apple Barrel. I have a nice big brush. Now when I do my backgrounds, I like to do them quick and wet so it's easy to blend one color into the other. And the first thing I'm going to do is lay down my lightest color and kind of go darker and blend as I go. So I'm going to start with my yellow. I want that kind of at my horizon line. In the description box below is a detailed list of all the tools and materials used in today's project. Enjoying today's content? Please show your support by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, and sharing the video with your friends. And there you go, beautifully blended. So my board is nice and dry. I realized I didn't have much orange showing, so I added just a little bit more. I'm happy with that for my base. And now I'm just going to use the window clings. I like these because they have a clear rim around them. There's no color, so whatever you lay them down on, they're gonna stay. Now these don't stick real well, so that's a good thing. You can really play with the placement before you get it down. And we'll be attaching these with some Mod Podge. So just have fun and play with your window clings and create a beautiful fall scene. Enjoying the content and want to see more? Make sure to hit the subscribe button. When the notification bell pops up, if you hit that too, YouTube should let you know every time I upload new content. Okay, I kind of like that setup. I think that looks really nice. I do have some leaves and some acorns and a couple extra pumpkins. I might put those in and we'll kind of see how it goes as I lay everything down. Now to get these attached, I'm going to be using matte Mod Podge. So just lay down a little bit of Mod Podge, spread it over the area, and then lay down your window cling. Once I have all the pieces down and it's dry, I will cover the whole thing with a layer of Mod Podge. So I have all my elements on. I have them glued down. It's dried enough that they're in place. So now I'm going to go over the whole thing with a coat of Mod Podge Matte. Okay, now I'm going to let that fully dry. Okay, so my second layer of Mod Podge is almost completely dry. There's just a few little areas where it still looks a little white. That means it's still a little moist, but I'm really happy with how it turned out. I love the very colorful background, and I think it all pulled together nicely. Now we're going to decorate it up a little bit more through the top here. And I pulled out a stem here of the mini mums. I also pulled out a stem of the baby sunflowers. And I made two little bundles. So I have two small stems of the baby sunflowers and one of the mini mums. So I made two of those, one for either side, and then I just wrapped the bottom to make it easy on myself with some floral tape. You can also pick this up at Dollar Tree. So I'm going to be placing one on either side, and then we'll put a cute bow in the middle. And I think that will finish this off nicely. I'll start by hot gluing it, and if that doesn't seem to hold real well, then I'll go back and add a staple. Now here for the center, I want to place a really pretty bow. I did find this ribbon at Dollar Tree. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has all those beautiful fall leaves and those beautiful mushrooms. I went ahead and created a basic 2-loop bow with some short tails. I think that's really cute. That's going to go beautiful right in the center. Now I pulled out of my stash this cute little acorn. It came as a toothpick. So I just pulled out the toothpick. I'm going to use that little acorn. I'm going to put it in the center here because I don't want to see my pipe cleaner. And there you go. That acorn made the perfect final addition for our beautiful fall wall decor. I love how bright and cheery all of those colors are. Absolutely gorgeous. Here on the back you can see I reattached that jute cord, knotted it, and then glued it down to make sure that that does not pull through. Absolutely beautiful project. Perfect for doing in a group of girlfriends, maybe a group of seniors, or even a group of students. What a fun, quick and easy fall DIY. A perfect way to help dress up your home for fall. I love the bright colored background. It really sets off the other elements in the sign. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show some love in the comment section. This really does help my channel. It lets YouTube know that I have content that's worth watching, and then they share it with more people and my channel grows. Have a great day. Take care of yourself, my friend, and I'll see you in the next video.